Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And this video, I'm just going to create one of the scanners with the charting. So where we try to find out the supply and demand zone in 1 hour time frame. So we will try to find out the supply and demand zone, which happen at the very lowest level. That means the trend reversal where we can easily capture with the supply and demand zone. So already we created the daily based rally based rally kind of zones, which will be updated, already updated on my premium telegram group. So those who are a member, so you can copy the scan, or you can use the scan to find out the same stocks which we find out based on the scanner. That scanner group which available, it's a premium group. So those who want to join that, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number to get more detail. And those who are already joined, so we have shared our scanners on the list. So you may be utilize our scanners, or you can also modify and edit with the copyrights which we have given, and you may be using that scanner. Okay, so this video especially we are going to find out kind of a rally based drop based on kind of a supply demand by using a 1 hour time frame. So, and I finally created one of the customized indicator to find a demand candle and the supply candle. So by using the simple code, so we can create that particular scanner with 1 or 2 lines. That will be easy. And one more thing, so we are looking for some of the supply candles and demand candles which is happening in the middle of the trend. So we to try to find out that must be happen in the highest level or even at the lowest level. So if you find such a thing, then we can find it for something kind of supply and demand zone. So mostly the reversal pattern which happen not on rally based and drop based drop. So because rally based rally, so that would happen in the rally candle and then base candle and then a rally candle. It may be a trend continuation or the pullback trade which we can get that in if it is a trend reversal, or if it is a drop base where we can get a big candle and this drop candle and then sorry base and drop. So we may be getting a trend continuations, or we are looking for breakout in the trend. So what we are just going to create in this scanner, that one, so drop and the base and the rally. So this may be after the downtrend, if it is forms, maybe the trend reversal should be possible. And one more conditions is a rally and the base and then drop. So if it is happening at the highest level, we may be expecting for the trend reversal. So these two scanners which we are trying to create in next videos. In this video, we can create a drop and base rally. So that will be helping you to find out the trend reversal in nature. So that must be happen in the lowest level. So where we can exactly look for a drop and base and then rally, but it is not an exact one. So which we are looking for, and after the downtrend and the pattern which forms at the lower level, we may be expecting a trend reversal in a particular such that we are going to plan with this particular scanner, and it will be help us to find the trade opportunities. So we already created a one more custom indicator that will help you to find out demand candle as well as the supply candle. So we are just looking for a demand candle. It's a customized indicator. So where I'm just going to create 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour demand candle, the we to derive the candle size, that should be 0.5 in nature, but we can increase or decrease. So why we are using this kind of scanners to we can increase the levels as well as decrease the levels to reduce the number of stocks. That's the main reason which we can use this. And one more thing, supply candle or a kind of yeah, it may be a supply and demand candle. And boring and explosive candle also we can use the name, but I'm just using the name of supply candle. So this would be a boring candle and demand candle would be a explosive candle, in other words. So where you can in the form of demand, that is boring and explosive candle. So supply candle is an boring and demand candle is an explosive candle. So we are looking for that should be less than, okay, so less than the number of number, it should be less than 0.5. So this simply filtering out those stock which forming you such a pattern. Okay, this is a second 1 hour candle. So we are not using a daily time frame, we're simply using a 1 hour time frame. -2 should be the previous candle, and same which we can copy this in the demand candle. The next one should be also the third 3 candles back, or the previous one should also see third candle. So that it must be greater than number 5. So this simply fetch you that particular 1 hour time frame kind of supply and demand. So let me run the scan if you have any stocks. Let me see Voltas will came here. So Voltas which happening here in this list. So that may be around 2:15, I think the time. So the last closing time is 2:15. That would came into the scanner. So rally, sorry, we are looking for rally. Yeah, big candle, small candle and the concept. So that's right. Okay, so these are all the stocks, and previously if you are save the scan, we will be getting supply demand. Our normal name is a test. Okay, so hereafter only we should create conditions that we are going to make exactly the same. Okay, so in this case, this is what a base supply candle and demand candle which we have created, and we should use, for example, we are looking for a lower level reversal. That means the stock in a downtrend and then reversed from the trade, so that we can look for here. So the third candle close 16 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour -3 candle. So this we are be fetching with the candle patterns. So with the color of the candle, these are all the things which we are looking for, color of the candle, and the current candle, that should be first or current candle. So we create, yeah, the current candle. So Bata India, OFSS. Let me check Bata India and what happened. So where we exactly finding out such a pattern? The first candle should be a red, and the second candle would be a boring candle, and third candle would be a explosive candle. Where you can look at this. This is what an exact pattern where I'm just looking for, but this should be happen in the lower level. That means either lower level. So that we are going to create one more condition. So that is simple condition. So we have to use an ABS functions to compare. Okay. High minus low, already we created a custom indicator that should be -2 candle, right? So 1 hour time frame, -2 means the previous candle. 1 hour candle, second candle, sorry, we messed it out. Here is the one candle, here is the two candle, 1 2 3. Okay, here is the two candle, it will also be two candle, this should be zero candle, and -1 candle, it must be greater than ABS value. This is the functions where I'm just filtering out the steps. My color of the candles. Okay, and that would be also 1 hour time frame, and we use -1. So we are multiplying with that number function which we are creating for adjustment purpose on the scanners. So we can adjust the numbers and we will be getting number of stocks. So after doing this, we don't have any stocks. What's happening here? There is no stocks here at this moment, and it flows greater than ABS2 or 1.5. There is no stocks will be listed here. Just wait, I will try to modify this. Sorry, here 2 hours candle, second candle, comparing with the second candle and the first candle, -1 candle. So let me check, and some of the stocks, maybe 1.5 times. So this would be Bata India, ONGC. So where exactly the Bata India and the ONGC, that is also be there, ONGC at 2:15. ONGC, such a pattern, yeah, a drop candle and the base candle and then a drop. So this is what an exact pattern we are looking at this in bottom. So after the downtrend, so exactly the market moves lower and it made a low, and then that explosive downside and then base candle and then rally candle. So there may be a trend reversal. So let me check Deepak Nitrate, City Union Bank. Let me check. This is also happening, but the least low is not a right one. So we should compare the low of this particular candle should be happen in the after the downtrend. So how do we fetch that downtrend, we have add a few more conditions, because in daily time frame we don't use this condition because it's in daily. But in the hourly time frame, so we should find out this pattern should be happen at the lowest level. So we try to get the functions of the least. For example, the least functions which we can use it. This will fetch you. Uh, okay. Okay. So here 1 hour. So again a 1 hour. We have one is a -1 and -2. So it must be equals. So one more condition which you are following here to find out the least level. Minimum condition 1 hour. So let me check that whether it works. Let me find a very few number of stocks. ONGC. Let me find ONGC. Yes, exactly. This two candles is the lowest level to 94.65. So comparatively, this is the exact pattern we find out that would be happening here. And let me check some more stocks in the backtest report. So this one Excite, SBI, and Dr. Reddy. Excite, where it forms. Here is the formation, exactly a drop and a base and a rally. So maybe the trend continuation. So where you can look at this previous trend is clearly a downtrend. That is very important. So here the trend of this previous candle should be very clear downtrend, and a drop candle which happening here in the red, and the base candle which happening at the lowest least level, and the rally candle which happened in the next one. So we are finding a drop and a base and a rally. So maybe from that point we are expecting the trend reversal. And also this one exactly showing you the supply zone, sorry, demand zone. Here in the green color it's showing you the some demand zones here. From that zone around 471 it went up to 476. So let me try for an SBIN, whether it is right, sorry, SBIN. So this indicators based on this particular thing. So this is also be a perfect hourly zone. We find it here. Okay, so this is what an area SBIN. So exactly 115 time, right? Yeah, it is 115. And Dr. Reddy, so where we can look for, this is also the pattern where we see here in this indicator also it is exactly showing a demand zones. Okay, so some more backtest, whether ITC on 69 Visual Tech. So ITC here 69, 69 to 15. So this is what a perfect zone where we find out, even it is showing you the demand zones. Exactly at this point it showing you the demand zones here, and then market is reversed from 500 level to 511. And one more stock which we find out is in HTLs. So maybe past data, maybe in this case, this is at area where it is moves, and this time it came to this demand zone. If it is breaks below the demand zone, so maybe exiting. That is also good. This is a scanner. It will be exactly finding out those stocks which forming a such a pattern. And this particular day, lot of stocks on 6, 9, 11, 15, sale BL, BL 9, 15, 6, 9. So this is an area. Maybe it is a stop loss trigger, and finally we find one more opportunity, but it is not a exact drop based rally. But we have to find only the kind of pattern. Sale. This may be the pattern here around 11:15 on 16. And after this candle 129, it went up to 131. So near about 2.5 rupees it went up. So this is what a pattern which I find out. A long back test only we can check for a positional one. So maybe this is on 4th September. It is a 1 hour time frame, right? So 2nd September, Dabur India Mart Jubilant Food. So Dabur, let me check what is happening Dabur, whether it is a positionally works or not. So 1 hour time frame, Dabur that happened at 2/9, 115, 2/9. These are an area Q9 115, 150. So this is what a point where it is showing, but not a big thing. So, but it is a the second candle is a very small. So why we got this, and from that point it covered, and this is what our low. So maybe this candle low 634, and here it is a this candle it made 634.20, and exactly 20 paisa different. Normally we can't keep a stop loss in the same level. If you keep some buffer, this would be a working trade, and it is moved well. Okay, and India Mart and Jubilant Food. If we are trying to find an opportunity, second 115. So this is what an opportunity where I'm just looking for. So here after the downtrend, we find the demand zone and then market is moved. So we finding an opportunity based on this Jubilant Food scanner, and that would be here. There is a one more trade 150. So finally we find a scanner for finding out a supply and demand zone. So where we can change this as a 0. Is there any more stocks? The same stocks or different stocks? Number India Mart. So at this particular day, if you are changing that level, one more stock we got it right. So you can adjust the values. Normally it is a -1. Okay, that would be right one. So if you are doing the -1, this particular time we have a 3 stocks. But in this case, Jubilant Food is not that. But if you are using that -1, that would be showing you 0 means there is no stocks. So normally you can use 0 or -1. Okay, this is what an area where I just finding out on hourly supply, and even you can reduce the number of things. So already we discussed about this also. Those who are following my things, you will be understand. So if you are increasing that, and 2nd September, that also remote Tower and Jubilant Food also would be the stocks. And after that, this particular day we have a lot of stocks which triggers. So like NMDC, Gale. Let me go for a Gale. Is there any change over here? This is a point. I think 29. 69. Okay, 69. Where is that? That is a point 69. But after it may be a stop loss, but still it is available. Okay, so you need to check, and you can modify whatever you need it. And if you really want the scanner, so it is available on my premium group. So I'm not sharing you all this. I'm sharing you all the scanners on my premium group. So if anyone who interested to take that, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number, and I'm not going to share this premium scanners on free, because at least you have to some commitment to do that. So it will be taking a lot of time to create such a kind of scanners. I created it, and I will be sharing those who are believing me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Same like that, we will create a rally based drop also. It will be used for a trend reversal. Thank you. Thanks for joining here. Thank you so much.